Off in the deep end like usual. Where they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. It's caught me slipping once, okay, so what?
Alright y'all, so in today's video what we're going to be doing is installing a tow package on a Scion XB. Now I've never installed a tow package on any one of my vehicles, so this should definitely be interesting. Now this would not be used as tow pig or nothing like that. It's simply for whenever I buy big things and I need to try to fit some of the stuff in my car. Sometimes I got to take the subs out and fold the seats down and all that stuff. But I figured I'll just get a tow package and give me a little small trailer just in case. All right, so the package came from etrailers.com. I'll make sure I link everything below. It's a direct bolt-on to the Scion XB. They got most, I think they have all the years, I'm not sure. I think they got all the first gen years. I didn't look for second gen. But let's get it unboxed. Let's see if we got to put anything together. Hopefully I don't have to do anything to the exhaust, but we'll see. Ow. It's too cold to be yanking on this stuff. I can already tell there's nothing to put together. Actually, it's all one piece, and it's a direct bolt-on, like I said. I'll cut that off in a second, but let me show y'all where to bolt on to up under the car. All right, up under the car, this is the passenger side rear. This little bracket right here is what you would take off, and the tow package will take the place of that. And on the driver's side rear, same little deal. So let me get the car jacked up and I'll get started removing those. All right, I'm going to be using a 9/16. Two bolts on each side. All right, so just looking at everything, I'm definitely going to have to at least remove the exhaust. More than likely, I'm going to have to change my exhaust, which is good because I've been looking for an excuse to redo it anyways. And the bumper, I'm not sure, but I may have to cut into the bumper, which would be no big deal because I can make it look clean. FedEx is going by. They didn't stop. I'm so sad. But yeah, let me see if I can drop the exhaust some or just take the whole exhaust off. Well, not the whole exhaust, but take the back part of the exhaust off and get it mocked up. All right, been playing around with it for a second. I got one side that bolt's already in, just holding it up, and the other side is over here sitting on the exhaust, and it's not fitting, and that is due to this little metal hanging down right here. So what I'm gonna have to do is either more than likely cut that piece off because I can't bend it, and I definitely recommend using the second person. I ended up dropping this exhaust on my head. Now I have a big ass knot on my head, but I'm gonna go ahead and work on getting this piece cut off. Hold this. Look at God. Won't he do it? Let's see if I can get out of this side. All right, y'all, so after fighting with this for about 2 hours, I finally got it installed. I don't know what it was, but for some reason, it was just off. Like, I can get one side in, then when I go to the other side, it was just off by a hair. So it took forever. I did end up having to cut this. I got a little bit of footage of me cutting that. But yeah, I got all 4 bolts in. Don't mind the zip ties and bungees. I gotta run the AutoZone and get me a new exhaust hanger. But the exhaust does sag a little bit more. I was thinking about redoing the exhaust anyway, so that's not too big of a deal. I did have to cut the bumper. It sits perfectly at the bottom of it. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this video. Like I said, I'm about to run the AutoZone and get a new exhaust hanger and throw that on. But for now, I'll just catch y'all in the next video.